guys, welcome to back to my YouTube channel, guys. And as you all know, we're gonna start creating this beautiful look, and to achieve this look we just keep watching. Just kidding. No. I just put on my glasses because I look very weird and stuff like that. So I'm gonna be doing my eyebrows very fast, and the look that we're gonna be creating, and I have the background as well too. It's gonna be this beautiful look, guys, with this right here. Does it look like me? No? Yes? Something like that? Okay. So we're gonna be creating that look. I have my iPad right here because I really don't want to forget any detail, and so that way you guys can wear it like on a Halloween day, or if you guys have an event or like a party going on, because I know a lot of you guys gonna be having parties on October. So and I have this little cute shirt right here. And then the reason why I'm wearing this one is because the lines are going to be going like a little bit more down, so that way I can show off more of the clown look. So without further ado, guys, we're going to get started. The palette that we're going to be using is this one right here. You like my reflection of the lights? Yeah. Yes, honey. Yes. Anyways, we're going to be using this beautiful palette, and it has all these colors right here. On my previous one, when I was just talking, I tell you guys where to get this palette. And then my other brushes, right quick before I start, I'm going to be using these brushes right here. They're from Hobby Lobby and Michaels. And to clean them up, because I know a lot of you guys have been asking and stuff like that, to clean them up, I pretty much use this one. I got them off from Walgreens. So you guys can go ahead and dip it in there and clean them really fast. So that way, instead of having to save the whole trip or having to, if you, like for instance, if you use this one and it's completely full of white, then yes, you have to wash them, of course. But if it's just something like little, anything like this, it will do the job for it. So, alrighty, you guys, I'm excited. Let's get started, guys. And for my eyebrows, I'm gonna be using Maybelline Expert Wear from New York, and this looks like this. Just a black pencil. So this is another technique that I started doing recently, so you guys can get started, getting to know my techniques and stuff like that. And all here, I'm just shading in just right here, the corner side of it. I'm gonna use BH Cosmetics Studio Pro, and I'm gonna be dipping it into this cup, and just a flat angle brush, fluffy kind of. This one, for instance, is from BH Cosmetics number 12. Just gonna dip it in there, and then just kind of tap it first, and at the same time start kind of. We're gonna go with this brush right here, and I'm just gonna kind of start brushing so you can get that fading effect. I'm gonna go with my Morphe 12 Picasso palette, and I'm just gonna dip it into the red one right here. A very large fluffy brush like that. And I'm just going to kind of start bringing everything down. Super pigmented. I had to pull off my my beautiful Metron Clown White face makeup. And this one, I only pull it off when it's an emergency, like I need the color so bright. I'm gonna go in. I got this one, I believe, off from Hobby Lobby. The number is gonna be number 4. It's gonna be Royal Atlantic Land Nickel. So this one's, I think they came off. I'm not sure if they came off like a bunch of them. You know how they come like a bunch of brushes. I forgot how I got this one, but anyways. So okay, now I'm gonna get my bottle, sprayed it into the black paint. Here. Don't go all the way from right here, just go from the inside. I think it has too much water, this makeup. Okay. So now we go with the nose part. I know I had the nose black in that one, so I'm just gonna outline it black and just go with a red one. I'm gonna use a regular black pencil to kind of line. Matte is gonna be in black. I got this one on CVS. They don't have it anywhere else. I don't think so. But just go to CVS and purchase that one there. For instance, I'm gonna use this one right here. And then with the same one that I was drawing my lines right here, I'm gonna use this one and I'm just gonna kind of start drawing the lines. After I draw in the lines, all I'm gonna use is some liquid and cotton balls to just glue them to my body. Okay, you guys, so this is it for my YouTube channel. This is today's look for my Halloween makeup tutorial. And as my inspire, the only thing I will mention what I did different was the little jewels right here. You can see. And then this I actually stretch it out more. In here is a little bit more like or less. And I just put one contact instead of putting the two, so it can look a little bit more crazy or whatever. And what else I changed? I changed also the style of this. Now I added cotton balls and some black circles as well. I stretch out a little bit more of this, and that's it, you guys. This is all I did. And then the only thing I kind of did more, it was this right here. Stretch it out more this way. So that's it, you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for everybody that has been supporting me. You know, let's put this on to look a little bit more intimidating. So that's it, you guys. Thank you so much, guys. I love you guys for always supporting me and still keep getting me. Let me just take them off. It looks ridiculous, right? If you guys like this look, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and again, don't forget to subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you to the next one, guys. Bye. And once again, before I forget, you know, I had to give a shout out to a special person. Thank you, Jasmine, and happy birthday. Thank you for always watching my videos. You don't know how much I admire you, girlfriend. Thank you so much. Happy birthday, girl. Have a wonderful day. That I'll be there once I take off all this makeup. But I just want to give you a quick shout out, girl, to you. This is your birthday, girl. So have a wonderful birthday, girl. Thank you for watching. Love ya.